The golden crown, hey. It is missing the other queen though. But yeah. Hi ACE followers. I would just like to take a minute to introduce myself and explain to you guys my experience here at ACE. So a bit of background for myself. I study at Curtin University. I do mechatronics and computer science as a double degree. I'm currently in my final year and I'm currently doing an internship here at ACE. I grew up in Malaysia and I came to Australia when I was around 12 years old. And for a long time, I struggled to make friends, but in my time at Willetton Senior High School, I've made a lot of friends, and to this day, a lot of the hobbies that I picked up back then is still going strong with me today, such as basketball. I do that basically twice a week. Okay, I chose to do mechatronics engineering and computer science because I figured it was the best of all worlds pretty much. I get the hardware aspect of mechatronics and control systems, and I also get the software aspect of computer science. I didn't want to limit myself with just the hardware or just the software side. I thought the amalgamation of both of them was the most interesting aspect of engineering to me. This was especially the case when I was doing this unit called Mechatronics Automation Project, where we had to program 3 Festo stations, which I did pretty well in. That unit was an introduction to PLC programming and SCADA systems. ACE did recognize my achievements in that unit and presented me with an award. And that's actually how I got to know about ACE. Yes, my final year project. Currently, I'm doing a thesis about a chess engine based on attention mechanism, and I'm going to train it using reinforcement learning. My advisor is Tomasz Wolozinski, and I have to really thank him for this great idea of a project. It's extremely interesting. I love chess, I love board games really, and the idea that a computer can sort of mimic the way a human plays chess based on neural networks, and I guess sort of mimicking the way humans learn is really, really fascinating, and yeah. Oh, my experience as ACE has been very, very good. A big reason about why I joined this company was during the award night where they presented me the award, I had a conversation with the managing director, Yu Jordan Zhao, and he was explaining to me that ACE was an engineering, design and construction company that works with like a variety of companies all throughout Australia. I thought it would be a great opportunity for me to learn from this company and to see what different kinds of projects are out there, whether it's based on SCADA systems or renewable energy or communications. Currently, I'm mainly doing training here at ACE, and so far I've done, I've had experience with the ignition SCADA system, some GeoSCADA or control expert, which I think is based on the Schneider systems, and so far I've learned quite a lot from this company. Some advice for my fellow engineers here at university, I'd say keep going at it, right? Like, university is not easy. It's not meant to be easy, really. It's meant to be tough, but that's kind of how you deal with it. You're kind of thrown in the deep end, and it's up to you to figure your way out of it. Whether that's creative problem solving, time management, whatever you need to do to get out of it, those strategies will linger with you throughout your entire career. And so my advice to you is to build good habits that would continue with you all throughout your career. ACE has personally helped me because I've been able to observe how real engineers operate in the real world. I've seen how recent graduates have been able to succeed here at ACE. I've been able to observe them and I guess try to emulate some of their habits and behaviors. Yeah, I think everyone here is extremely friendly. They're all very helpful and they're very willing to help as well. I've always felt comfortable to ask different questions. Even as an intern, maybe there was some technical problems that people needed and they even came to me. So I felt that I was contributing to this company as well, and they made me feel quite important. Next 5 years, it is a bit tough. I think in general, us Us engineers, we overestimate how much we can do in 1 year, but underestimate how much we can do in 5 years, right? But if I had to guess, I'd like to be a control systems engineer, you know, like I think working with a variety of different projects and maintaining them would be much more interesting than just working in one sole company and working on one single system or project. I hope that we can keep securing, you know, the contracts from different companies, and through working with those different contracts, when it comes time for me to contribute, I can put the skills that I've already learned in training to good use, you know. When I do work on these different projects, it may start out slow, but by working on them, I think I'll be building my skills, and not just technical skills. This is with communication skills, you know, asking for help, collaborating with other engineers, and not just within the company, but outside of this company as well. I think that those skills will be very, very valuable for me and will help me build my own set of skills to be a successful engineer. ACE is primarily a electrical communications, SCADA and design company. I think because they work in such a big variety of different kinds of projects. For example, one of the bigger projects is the Wagerut projects about battery and energy storage. I've seen us draw single line diagrams for this company, as well as setting up various modems to communicate and manage the entire SCADA system. Yeah, and we also do various smaller projects like the Tulibin project, where we configure several different RTUs to make sure that the system is still running, especially with all the redundancy as well, to make sure that there's no downtime for that project. If you want to fast track your engineering career, come to ACE.